reflection is the change in direction of an electromagnetic wave at a surface that causes it to move away from the surface. The two types of reflection are specular reflection, which appears glossy, and diffuse reflection, which appears matte. Each type of reflection can appear either virtual or real.
Specular reflection has a glossy finish, and light is reflected only one direction. Diffuse reflection is a matte finish and reflected in many different directions. Okay, when an incident ray is reflected off a plane mirror, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are the same. When an object is reflected off of this mirror, the image that is formed is inverted, shrunken, and real. When an object is reflected off of this mirror, the image that is formed is enlarged, upright, and virtual.
Action.
Reflections do not only appear when dealing with mirrors, but they also appear in everyday objects such as lenses, water, windows, glass, sunglasses, metal, and etc. Any object that does not produce its own light will not be seen if it does not reflect light from another source.
Tim stands 30 centimeters in front of a lens. The biconvex lens is 10 centimeters. At what distance is the image? To start, you have your know, want, and equation. First, we have our focal length. Our focal length is a biconvex, which means that it is positive, so it's positive 10. Next, we have our object distance, and it's in front of the lens, so we know that the 30 is positive. So that is our P. Next, it's asking us what distance the image is, so we know it's asking us for Q. Using these variables, we are using the mirror equation, which is 1 over P plus 1 over Q equals 1 over F. First step is to rearrange it so it fits what we're looking for. So you would subtract 1 over P from both sides to have our new equation. So this was 1 over Q equals 1 over F minus 1 over P. Next step is to plug in. 1 over Q equals 1 over 10 minus 1 over 30. The next step here is to get both of the denominators to equal the same. To get 10 to 30, you have to multiply the whole equation by 3. This gets us to 1 over Q equals 3 over 30 minus 1 over 30. Simplifying, you get 1 over Q equals 2 over 30. Next, you simplify to 1 over Q equals 1 over 15. So you know Q equals 15 centimeters.
I'm done.
I'll kill you.
You don't have the right to do that.
This way, this entire time.
So going in bloopers.
Reflections do not only
That doesn't work. You get no. You're like, oh, sir.